Good morning, class 8. Today let us study the figures of speech. Do you know, students, what are figures of speech? Figures of speech are a group of words or phrases that are used to intensify the meaning of the expression that you want to convey to your audience or to your readers through the words. Now it is all a game of words. Let us see some of the common figures of speech that are used in class 8 poems. First is simile. Then second is metaphor. Third is personification. Fourth is hyperbole. Fifth, oxymoron. Sixth, onomatopoeia. Seventh, paradox. Eighth, alliteration. Ninth, imagery, and 10th, rhetorical device. First, let us see what is a simile. A simile is comparison between two different things where one point is common between those two different things. And also, the words of comparison are used. What are these comparison words? As or like or so. These words you can see in the line where simile is used. For example, I wandered lonely as a cloud. Here, the poet is talking about himself. He was wandering just like a cloud in the sky. Second example, her hair was as golden as the sun. So here I have given you examples with the word as. Now second figure of speech is metaphor. What is metaphor? Metaphor is when there is a comparison made between two different things which share something in common. It is similar to simile, but it is also known as implied simile. Why implied simile? Because the words of comparison are not used. As, like, or so are not used in the metaphor. For example, bright rainbow tinted circles of light. The world is your oyster. So can you find the meaning? No, you have to find the meaning deeply. What are these bright rainbow tinted circles of light? When you read the poem Bangle Sellers, you will find that this description is given for bright colored bangles by Sarojini Naidu. Alright, let us see personification. What is personification? Personification is giving an human identity to an inanimate object or to a lifeless thing. Like, my car is a real beauty. Car is a non-living thing. Car is a non-living thing, but we are giving her the image of a lady where we associate beauty to. Second example, experience is the best teacher. Have you seen experience? No, but you can feel it. So your experience is your best teacher. Teacher is again a human personality. Now let us see what is hyperbole. Hyperbole is a figure of speech that includes an exaggeration. Exaggeration means extra praise or boasting. Yeah? We boast so much about our qualities. So here it is something that cannot be achieved. The exaggeration is too great that things could possibly not take place. For example, 10,000 saw I at a glance. Here we can imagine that our sight, our power of sight cannot give us the time to count 10,000 flowers at one sight, one glance. But the poet William Wordsworth, in his poem Daffodils, uses this phrase to show that the daffodils were numberless in the valley. They gave a very beautiful sight in front of him. So hyperbole is like this. Then